See it off the bone, man. We don't cook oxtail if it's not off the bone, you know. Watch that. Fall apart already, yeah? See that? Best mac and cheese we have. See that?
Where you use this? Where you use that?
Curry goat. Good curry goat this year. You know, flan curry goat, isn't it? What there, sir? Oxtail. I eat that? Yeah, nobody pressure it then. Good oxtail that here. Come in, man, come in. Yeah, machine there. Yeah, man. Good morning. Yes, I. Jerk chicken time, you know? Yeah, man, you see that? Yeah, you know today, you know. Cool like a rat today. Couple weeks now, I don't put out no video in a fan. You don't know anything though. Kind of busy and things. The time get cold right now, so you know the schedule kind of tight, but you know, still have a fine time. You know, show you what's going on. Yeah, man. So I'm telling you, it's time cold, man. But yeah, see there, some wicked jerk chicken we have right now. Get them started out. I don't know, we are head out to the regular spot today. Today Friday. Yeah, man. Make people happy today, you know. Yes, Rasta. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, this is how we're looking in the morning. Curry goat. Yeah? Curry goat right there, so. Over here, so we have some curry chicken and simmer down, you see it? Yeah, man. Today Friday, as I say. We are doing it big today. Yeah, we are doing it big today. Nice piece of curry chicken. I do it big today. Season them up now. Put some onion and some, you know, green seasoning in them right now. See that? Nice. Outside, you know, we have the jerk chicken. So guys, right here we have the oxtail and beans, you know. Yeah, man. We're getting there. Yeah, man. See it off the bone, man. We don't cook oxtail if it's not off the bone, you know. Watch that. Fall apart already, yeah. I'm gonna show you a couple plates when you reach out there, yeah? Yeah, man. Ready up.
Yeah, man. Fresh rice and peas.
Yeah, man. See it?
Yeah.
Steam. Yeah, steam. Wicked is that.
Just cook.
Yeah, man. But yeah, so we have cooked some curry.
Yeah.
Shrimp, you see me? Yeah, so we have do some cabbage. Yeah. Plant over this one. Curry goat. Good curry goat this year. You know, flan curry goat, isn't it? Good curry goat, and then we have a curry chicken over this one. Slide them here down, let them go on there. Yeah, man. Alright, over here, over there, so. Oxtail. I eat that? Yeah, nobody pressure it then. Good oxtail that here. Yeah, man. We have brown stew here, so I run same way. Everything good. Yeah, man. Over here, so now we have mac and cheese. We have the best mac and cheese right there. See that? Best mac and cheese we have. See that?
Where you use this? Where you use that?
Oh, them there are just when we got blurry, you know what I mean? Good beef patty. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we there we are doing it, you know. Outside. Yeah, man. I run 2 generators today. Yep. Car wash over this, so. Car they are coming. See there? Menu there, see me. customer there wait too. So we're there, man, we're there. Yeah. See flag there representing, you know. Yeah, man. Come in, man, come in. Yeah. Machine there. Yeah, man. Out and about. Curry shrimp.
Yo, that get you good. Get you good.
Get you good. Don't make it run away.
Yeah, get you good.
Alright, curry good. Alright, that's good.
Yeah.
Alright, that one is good. You have curry shrimp. What you have over here? So our next shrimp over here. Yeah, man. See him just like that. Yeah, man. You know me have to snap it already. Yeah, you don't know you have to put it up on it. I don't know what I'm going. I'm saying open that door and see what I'm going.
On the lighting.
Yeah, man, the lighting look up bad on it. Jerk chicken. Right, that's up. Jerk chicken, mac and cheese and cabbage. No rice. Yeah?